How to add multiple categories. Maybe you have some content that doesn't fit neatly in just one category and you want to have more options. Well, I'm here right now in my settings page. You can go to settings by clicking on the settings icon at the left menu, and then in general, and scroll down to categories and segmentation. And here you can enable multiple categories. You can click on this one and save the settings. And now, if I go to my notifications and I create a new one, you'll see that instead of the drop down, I have this neat widget here. I have my default new category, but I can also add another one like feature. And I can add another one like fix. And I can add all the categories I want. You can also delete the categories. For example, you can click on this, you can hover over them and click on the X, and that's it. And that's the way to add multiple categories and to enable multiple categories. Remember that this option is not by default, but you can enable it on your settings. And that's it. Thanks for watching.